Hey guys, welcome back. It's Matt here, and today we're doing a full video on Coinbase. Coinbase is a great cryptocurrency trading app. It's not only for if you want to purchase cryptocurrencies, which can, by the way, be from Bitcoin, Bitcash, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many more. Not only that, but you can go ahead and view the news of the cryptocurrencies, and you can go ahead and watch the fluctuation, so you can watch the price go up and go back down again, and you can read news on basically how to trade and when's best to trade and things like that. So pretty nice. They have this really cool graph and you can scrub through it and you can watch when the price rises and when it drops, and you can sort of scale it out and see from a few years ago or months, weeks, or even days. So this is especially useful when you're trading. You want to make sure you actually make money rather than lose money. So you're going to want to read up through the news section first. You're going to want to go ahead and actually monitor it just to be on the safe side. I have actually done it myself and I've actually made a tiny bit of money, not too much. It does take a long amount of time in order to really make money, because right now all of the cryptocurrencies which are worth less, which could potentially be worth more in the future, it's going to take them a while to build up. But definitely play safe. Don't invest all your money. Hold back a bit, experiment, invest maybe a small amount of money and try and play with it. See if you can make more money from that. And then once you get the hang of it, you could potentially put more money in. In terms of security, first off, there is a passcode to get into the app. It's got bank level security, multi-stage verification, and also 98% of everything they store in terms of data is stored offline, which means it's really not going to be breached and nobody's going to be hacking in and stealing your information. But it's definitely really good for learning. They have this really nice portfolio page, and inside the portfolio page you can go ahead and view the money you've invested, and it shows which cryptocurrencies you've invested in. It shows you your current exchange rate value in multiple different currencies. So you can actually transfer money from Bitcoin to Litecoin and so forth. A really nice feature of this app is price alert, because you can go ahead and set a price drop, and whenever a cryptocurrency will drop in value, it will alert you and then you can go ahead and buy it. So it saves you a lot of time from checking the app to see if it's dropped. Now, not only can you monitor the cryptocurrencies available through Coinbase, you can monitor all of them, all of the other ones that aren't available, and there is quite a few, but they might potentially bring those over in the future if you want to trade in those. But right now it's just nice to be able to follow it. You can go ahead and read the news articles, and if you click on the cryptocurrency, it shows you again the sort of rise and fall of how much it's worth. It shows you the market cap, your volume, and your circulating supply, which is just the total number of coins in circulation, if you're curious. But yeah, it tells you a little bit about the cryptocurrency itself, where it came from, who made it. It's got a little bit of news as well, and it just shows you some of the latest headlines. So it's especially useful, even if you're just curious and you want to learn more about cryptocurrency, then it's a really good app to check out. Even if you're not willing to put money down yet, it's definitely worth the opportunity in order to learn. Now, something nice on the main page is that when you scroll down, it has your top stories. So Bitcoin is no longer seen as the driving force of crypto market. So there's some interesting things on here if you're interested, and you can go ahead and read through them all. You can go ahead and view some more stories, and I mean, they color code it depending on which cryptocurrencies you're interested in. So if you're investing in Bitcoin, it's going to tell you more information about Bitcoin. There's also a mode for friends, so there's a link down below, and if you want to invest money and you use my code, you'll get some more money, which is just pretty nice. So anyway guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace out.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in